Welcome. In front of me is a MEDION X5004, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So to get started, you want to hold power key in order to shut off the device. Select power off. Now once the device is off, you want to then hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both these keys at the same time. And when you see MEDION logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you can use volume keys to navigate up and down. So, like so. And whatever you select, all you need to do is confirm it by pressing the power key. So as you can see, reboot system now is selected. And if I want to confirm it, press power key to boot out of it. Now, apart from rebooting out of this, you can also apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partition, reboot to bootloader, power off the device, view some logs, and apply updates, but this time from SD card. But like I said, I'm gonna just reboot the device, so I'm gonna select reboot system now and press power key to confirm it. And you can see that we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access and leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.